Hello and welcome, dear students. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Gawhar Nabi, you are a mathematics educator. Today, the topic that I'm to discuss with you is one of the most important topic as far as the class 7th, class 8th and class 9th are considered. What topic is it? It is regarding exponents and powers, right? I will not go deep delve into this topic. I will not solve any numerical based upon the exponents and powers. I will not define what exponents are exactly and what powers are exactly. What I will try to do today, the distinguish, the difference. These two terms are they are poles apart. This is what I'm trying to explain today. I will explain today, right? So, whenever the student and even educator in class 7th, 8th or 9th, most of the students and most of the educators even have this misconception in their minds that whenever the educators teach the exponents, this chapter, whenever they deliver their content based upon exponents and powers, many of the educators consider that exponents and powers, these are same things. These are same concepts. These are intermingled. These are intertwined, but they are totally poles apart. These two concepts are totally different, right? Even students have this misconception. Whenever educators have misconception, then we can directly consider that students have misconception regarding this topic. So today, I'm going to reveal this concept. I'm going to uncover the hidden facts regarding this chapter, right? So, whenever we have to define the exponents, firstly we will define exponents, then we will define powers. So what is the exact definition of exponent? From exponent, what do we mean? It simply tells us how many times a number is multiplied to itself. Simply. So let's suppose we will take an example. What is an example? 2 raised power 3 is an example. Okay. So what is here an exponent? Exponent here 3. This is an exponent. This is an exponent. This is an exponent. So this exponent 3 tells us that we have to multiply this 2 3 times. This 1, this 2 and this is 3. Getting my point? So let's take another example. 3 raised power 4. So what is here exponent? Exponent is here 4. This is an exponent. This is an exponent. And from this exponent, what it implies? What this exponent signifies? This exponent signifies that we have to multiply, this 3 should be multiplied 4 times. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay. The number which is in the superscript, 3 here is in superscript and 4 here is in superscript. These we call exponents. If this is an exponent, then what are powers? We cannot call it 2 raised power 3. We cannot call it 3 raised power 4. We simply call it 2 to the exponent 3. 3 to the exponent 4. This is an exponent, right? But what are powers in mathematics? Power is nothing but it is the value of the exponentiation. Power is nothing but it is the value of the exponentiation number. So what is an exponentiation number? The whole term 3 raised power 4, we call it exponentiation number. It is an exponentiation. mention. This is an exponentiation. Here, one complete 2 raised to the exponent 3 is the exponentiation. The exponentiation 2 to the exponent 3. This we call an exponentiation. The whole number is the exponentiation, right? And its value is power. And we call the value of the exponentiation is power. Is power, right? So whenever you multiply 2 3 times, what is the value? 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So this 8 is the power here. This 8 is the power. So from power, we mean that it is the value of the exponentiation. Power is simply the value of exponentiation. Okay. So as far as the English language is concerned, as far as the English grammar is concerned, here we have and that separates these two. That separates these two words. What is the first word? Exponent, and second word is the power. But this and signifies it is the conjunction. It's the conjunction, and we use this conjunction between the two words to connect the two words in English. We use this conjunction to connect the two words, right? This and is used whenever two words are different. If there were or, this one, or exponents or powers, then we could believe that the exponent and powers, these are not two different things. These are same. These two concepts are intermingled. These two concepts are intertwined. Both these two have same meaning, but these are totally poles apart. These are totally different. Exponent is different and power is different. Exponent simply tells how many times a number is multiplied, whereas power tells us the value of exponentiation. So this is the topic that I selected today. I thought that I should deliver a lecture on this topic, so that the misconception which is in educators as well as in students, so that misconception can be abridged, right? So that misconception can be vanished. So this was my aim was to vanish, to eliminate that very misconception, that exponents and powers are two concepts which are similar. These are two similar concepts. But I'm asking you the question: if these are two similar concepts, then why and is here? The person who has written down this book, whether in class 7th, 8th or 9th, he has compiled the book with some intuition, with some thought process, with some ideology, right? So he used here and, but not or. So I hope you understood today's topic. See you in the next session. Fi amanillah.